All right, divers behind the line, starting in 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, guys, this is match 3, and these robots are on the move. Over here in the Red Alliance, they have 3 core on L4. One more? Yes, they do. Another one on L4. Looking over here on the Blue Alliance, they seem to have 2 on L4 and 1 on L1. Now these drivers will take control for the next 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Looks like over here, 58-26, Avis Autonomo has just taken out Algae from the reef. Looks like they're going from another one, working along with their other teammates to make sure that they can score on those levels. Taking a look over here in the Blue Alliance, looks like they are doing the same. 71-03, trying to score on that L4, while 45-31 grabs that Algae from the reef and scores it on the net for the Blue Alliance. Same with 70-21, TC Robotics, they score an Algae into that net, giving them those 4 points. 58-26 scores another one on L4. Right now, with Red Alliance having 81 and Blue Alliance having 55, score keeps getting up. All right, looking over here in the Blue Alliance, they have filled up the majority of the L4 with those coral. Well, 45-31 works collectively by taking off that Algae and trying to score it into that net. All right, 28-26 now working on that L3 level, while 70-21 works with them, taking off that Algae and scoring into that L4 level. 70-21 scores on that, getting them those 4 extra points. With 56 left still in the match, there's still a lot of points that could be scored. 130 from the Red Alliance. Blue is trying to catch up, scoring into that net and on those lower levels to get those ranking points from those teams. It looks like 59-03 is going through some issues with their drivetrain, while 71-03 simultaneously works to get on those L3 levels, and 45-31 going in those scoring into that net, right? With 30 seconds still left to go, 51-26, looking like that they are scoring into those reef levels right there on L2. Now they are moving on with the last 20 seconds in the match. Looks like 70-21 TC Robotics has successfully hanged, while 45-31 Steampunked is trying to, where 70-03 is moving on forward. 28-26, 2 robots on the Red Alliance. It looks like Blue is trying with those 2 robots under the bar.